Lomakio ubonako yona mbiza etlodlelwanga kiyo emzimkhulu wezokurhatsha kwa SABC eAuckland Park nanzi ezijujileko.
I've heard the testimony of Captain Kruger, but I know for a fact that I spoke to him on the phone and he gave me the information.
I did not receive any call from a person called Mthethwa.
Yibonakala ichuba kudlwana indaba yokuthi mhla amaHawks asahlele kwaKatiso KT Molefe khabe athunyiwe bona ayokusiza namkha khabe ayele ukuyokuvikela uMlife.
The law does not permit or did not permit the city to remove the traders the way in which they did.
Ihlangano ejamele amalungelo omphakathi emangalele uMasipalata weJohannesburg ngendaba yokuxothwa kwabathengisa endleleni ithi uMasipalata nangabe solo uyaziluma ngendaba le bazokubuyela ekhotho.
One thing about our airline members is that they consider safety as paramount in their operations.
I-Airlines Association of Southern Africa ilemukise bonke abantu abakhambako bona bahlolisise amalungiselelo wabo wamakhamba kabofly abaya nebabuya eTanzania ngenxa yobujamo bakhona. Lelo namhlanje lalile ukujinga lingana ndaba zalo ngikho sibona sifanelwa zinsuthu kangaka nje phambi kwakamabona kude wakho siphethe zona ngingutholani Bongwe nanzi indaba zesindebele ku SABC 1 akwande. Iyachuba indaba yokuzibandakanya kwephiko labofokisi amaHawks ejimeni lokusahlela loyo ekuzokala bona lilunga lesichema senilelesi uKatiso KT Molefe. Lokhu kunjengobana kwasawona amaHawks akhuluma indaba ezingahlanganiko kangangokuthi ukweqa msinya kwawo kwakukhambisana nesibawo namkha kusisenzo sokuqaphela ngombana enzela ukuvikela uMlife na mbuzo loyo iyaraga ikomishini kamahlangano kuphenya.
Ezinye indaba ezifuna ukuphendulwa evikelekweni lamaHawks endabeni yangonobayeni womnyaka opheleleko yokubotshwa kwakaloyo osola ngokuba ngungqondongqondo wenilele sezithengisa nendakamizwa uKatiso KT Molefe zibalahlangana ukuragela phambili kobufakazi obungahlanganiko bokuthi kuhle kwenzakalani mhloko. Chief George okunguye owayechayela unophehlwana owazombeleza umuzi kaMolefe unikele ngobufakazi obuphikisana nebuka Captain Berry bokuthi batsho yena wayegade angazi ukuthi uChief George wayitholaphi imininingwane yokuthi ijimelo kungela mambala.
I've heard the testimony of Captain Kruger, but I know for a fact that I spoke to him on the phone and he gave me the information. I only communicated with Captain Kruger on that specific day because he requested our assistance commissioners.
Nagaragela phambili uCaptain Kruger utbacho wakateleleka ukuthi aziqinisekisele yena ngokwakhe ngombana abalingani bakhe ngokomsebenzi kubalwa hlangana uwarrant officer Sabelo Nkosi baveza ukuthi batsho kuyarara begodu akunasidingo sokuthi isibawesi kwakufanele siqinisekiswe estation samapholisa wendawo.
When I opened the GPS to that particular address, it was 60-something kilometers. And then I don't think that there is an area or a suburb where the police station is got a police station that is more than 20 kilometers away.
Nakusenjalo uNkosi utbacho kunomuntu ozibiza ngoMr Mthethwa oliseula Africa owathi bacho nguye owafonela uPatrick Mbotho amtshela ukuthi bacho kunabantu abazenza amapholisa abasemzini kaMolefe osolwa ngokuthengisa indakamizwa. uNkosi uthi batsho umthethwa loyo wathi batsho yena uhlobele noMolefe begodu banombotho babangani kodwa ngemva kwalokho wabuya wayiphika indaba khona.
I did not receive any call from a person called Mthethwa, and the person displayed on the picture, they have never seen him. I don't know that person.
Ubufakazi obu buchiya imibuzo eminengi kuBrigadier Lisiba Mokoena wamaHawks kodwa utshele ikomishini ukuthi usafuna ukuyeleliswa ngehlangothini lomthetho begodu angeze abuya kwakhathesi. ukulalela kwekomishini kuyaraga.
Isekela likangqongqotjhe wamapholisa uDokotela Sheila Bushielo uyokuvela phambi kwekomiti yesikhatshana yeParlamente lesibili ekuyikomiti ephenya ukuthonyeka okukhona ngevikeleko elizoneli. Ikomiti le yasungulwa ukuphenya insolo zokucaphela kwabosopolitiki, ubukhohlakali nekohlakalo emahlelweni wezobulungiswa. Insolo lezi zavezwa nguKomishinala wamapholisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ngovela Bahlinze.
Usekela mphathiswa uSheila Bushielo uza kuba lingqina lesixhenxe eliza kunika ubungqina phambi kwale komiti yethutyana. Wathi wonyulwa njengesekela esipoliseni ngoJulayi kunyaka ophelileyo. Kulindeleke ukuba anike izimvo malunga nepolitical task team. Kwiveki ephelileyo uxa wakhe uCastle Mathale uchazele le komiti ukuba ngaphezu konyaka ekwesisikhundla zange anikwe umsebenzi ngulowo ongentla kwakhe uSenzo Mchunu nosele enikwe ikhefu lethutyana. Mathale wakhusele amadoda nabasetyhini esipoliseni.
You are talking of over 100,000 men and women who are in uniform. And those that are rogue or work with criminal elements do not represent a greater proportion of the police. You remove these rogue elements, you will have a police service that will be able to operate without people who are managed somewhere.
Mathale uthe wavakalisa kule komiti ukuba imigulukudu nayo inamacebo yokuzama ukongeza kwinkqubo yangaphakathi esipoliseni.
Criminals themselves, by nature of how they work, they will always want to tap into an institution that is meant to deal with them.
Kolwesine umphathiswa wesipolisa unjingalwazi Firos Chakalia uzakukhwela eqongeni, uzakulandelwa inhloko ye-Directorate Against Corruption uAdvocate Andrea Johnson ngolwesine nangolwesihlanu. Kundaba ze-SABC ndingu-Abongwe Khobokani ndiseParlamente.
Ihlangano eyengamele inkhampani Alliance Association of Southern Africa ilemukise bonke abantu abakhambako bona bahlolebe bahlolisise amalungiselelo wabo okukhamba ngaphambi kokuthi benze amajuguluko okuya eTanzania. Abakhweli basele esihlengeleni emadoyilweni wabo-fly weTanzania ngemva kokuthi umengameli uSamia Suluhu Hassan athumbe amakhetho. Isikhulu esiphethe ikhampani yabo-fly uAaron Munetsi ubuye wazisa abantu beSouth Africa abaseTanzania namkha eZanzibar bona banande bayozibika endlini yobuzenda belizweli eDar es Salaam ukuqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabo.
Ihlangano yenkampani zabo-fly le ithi ibubekile ihlelo ubukhala ubujamo bezinto eTanzania.
And since the election and the announcement and today's inauguration, we have observed that there are quite a number of flashpoints, especially in the Dar es Salaam area. So one thing about our airline members is that they consider safety as paramount in their operations.
Enye ikampani yabo-fly i-Airlink enabo-fly abayane basuka eDar es Salaam beyisebenza ngokujayelekileko kodwa nabatsho ke kwaba nokuphazamiseka kwethungelelwano lomoya edoyilweni labo-fly.
In this moment, there isn't sufficient evidence that those conditions will be in place. So agents will generally probably advise against booking there in the short term. And one needs to sort of wait and see how things progress over the next quarter.
Ibubulo lezamakhambo nezemoyeni lithi abakhweli kufuze baqalisisa abo-fly babo nabasebenzi babo ukwenzela ukukhandela ukuloba imali nokuqinisekisa bona bayaphepha.
Idorobho leJohannesburg elijamile ngelithi kuvunyelwe amaphandle namaphepha ukuba selizweni libona bafake imbawo zokuthengisa endleleni. Lokhu kulandela isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko eJohannesburg esiyala idorobho elibona lihabe ngehlelo lokuxolisa abantu abathengisa endleleni.
Ikhotho iyala idorobho leJohannesburg bona kusasa kufanele ithome ngehlelo lokuxolisa labo abathengisa endleleni kanti ihlelo leli lizokuphela ngezi-18 kuSinyikhaba. lokhu kuza ngemva koba ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo iSerin imangalela idrobheli iveke epheleleko ngokususa kwabathengisa endleleni ngekani. Idrobha leJohannesburg liphefumule ngana sendlela.
Everyone who seeks to be allocated a stand or facilities to trade as an informal trader around the streets of Johannesburg, which includes formal markets that have been demarcated by the city, must do so having followed the processes that the bylaws of the city and its policies require. So that process entails verification. The city must know who you are, where do you reside, what are you going to sell.
Nakusenjalo, iSeri yamukela isiqundo sekhotho.
The law does not permit or did not permit the city to remove the traders the way in which they did. And now with this order that is going to be rectified, and it's going to be rectified on an expedited basis. Come the 18th of November, if that is not done, we'll be back in this court to say that the city has failed to comply with the order of this court.
Omunye umnikazi wamakhiwo sehloko edorobha eJohannesburg uthi ukusilaphazeka kwedorobheli kwehlisa inani lemakhiwo.
Some time ago, somebody wanted to buy a property. FNB, they came for their assessment. What they do, the banks, is they do an area assessment. They mitigate risk and benefit factors. And they declare the area as a dangerous space. So you can't even sell a property at a value that you would want to.
iSeri tayiphikisana nemithetho kamasipala, kodwa umasipala kufanele alandele imithetho yelizweli.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngayo indaba ephela kule nakumbono wakho yalandela.
Sekugcwele amaphandle amaningi khulu. Abantu beSouth Africa basenandawo zokuthengisa.
Idolobho laseJoburg umdaka kumele uclean fa. Uhulumende akaphangisa ababhalisele lencwadi abanika imvumo ukuze nabadayisi nawo Christmas usondela.
Akona mabeyenza lento kusike ngathi bangayenza ngendlela eright ehlelekile ngoba ezinto bathatha izinto ezingafani izitoko ezingafani bazimixe ngongathi bazise dumping.
Banye benza ngabathengisa into ezihelebha isitshaba kanti bathengisa iyobisi namkha idakamizwa.
Johannesburg siyazi kuyidorobho elihle mara mvanje bese igcwele nemikhukhu ngaphakathi edrobheni.
Kuyohlwengeka lapha kuyoba kun into yonke yokuhamba ngendlela.
Ikwilizwe beAfrika elingenamthetho njengomzantsi Afrika.
Umasipala ngaske ababantu bonke abathengisayo ngoba baziphilela kodwa ke babe nencwadi imvume ezibavumela ukuthi bathengise.
Umbono wonke umbukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Nasibuya ento. Mathu inyembezi nobuhlungu obuhlaba ehlizweni obonakele eGamoro eMpumalanga nakuphekelelwa kuboyisemkhulu amalunga amane womndeni wakwaMthweni ababhubhele engozini yekoloyi ngeveke epheleleko.
Izokurhatshela bunqopha ngokusemthethweni iG20 SA 2025.
Nawusandungena siyakwamkela zisakhona indaba lapha kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Nambasikha. Ulise isibawo sakhe sebheli umsolwa obotshwe ngecala lokubulawa kwabantu abahlanu esahlakalweni esenzeke ekuthomeni kwakaSewula ezithobeni eBronkosspruit. Kulemele abantu abasithandathu ekuthiwa batsho badunyuzwe basola babili abafike bafuna isigidi somunye umuntu obekasethaveni badumuza kwasana.
Umkhulumeli webandla lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi iNPA eGauteng uLumka Mahanjana uthi kubotshwe omunye umsolwa othole nesigidi esingasisemthethweni. Uthi basalinda umbiko wesforensic ngaphambi kokuthi angahlotshaniswa necala elimi.
When the ballistic results come back and they link him to this offense, then those charges will be added and he will be added on this murder charge.
Icala leli lisuliswa lamalanga naka-13 ngoTshirhweni umnyaka ozako.
Abachochozeli bomphakathi Khamurwe ebeyaziwa ngeKamel Rafir eMpumalanga bakhuthaze umphakathi bona ubamsane ukutshengisa ubuntu lokho umunye nakasebudisini. Bebakhuluma ngesikhathi kunqatshwa amalunga womndeni wakwaMthweni amane abhubhele engozini yekoloyi endleleni N11 ebeyaziwa ngokuthi kukwasodiye ehlangana kweMiddelburg neLoskop Dam keveke pheleleko. Umbiki ndaba we-SABC uKhamfat Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Bekuzinhlungu zonke emphakathini waKhamurwe ngempela veke nabekuphekelelwa laba bakwaMthweni endaweni zabo zokugcina kumasipalata iDr Jess Moroka. Izakhamuzi abosopolitiki namakhosi baphume ngobunengi bokusiza abakwaMthweni esikhathini esibudisi ebuqalene naso njengoba nabongcwaba amalunga amane womndeni abhubhele engozini yendlela yachiba ngamahlwe esibona lapha le. Umndeni uthuthuthuzekile emoyeni ngemva kokusikima kwesitshaba safaka isandla ekutheni aphekelelwe ngehlonipho kuboyise emkhulu amalunga walumndeni.
Nase kufika isitshaba nje basihelebhe kangaka sizizwa singcono emoyeni, sibabonile abantwana bethu abodadewethu, sibabonile sabahloboka saphola. Sithokoza kakhulu bonke abantu abasihelebhileko ngemphekiso besingeza sakhona ukuthwala umbereko ongaka sisodwa. Amabhokisi amane aphuma mzimunye asikajwayeli.
Usomkhandlu wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu obuholi bendabuko nokubusa ngokuhlanganyela eMpumalanga uSpeedy Mashilo uthi bangihulumende wesifunda nabo bezobhlungu nabezomkhosi ukuthi sekuvela ihlekelele njengale emkhayeni wakwaMthweni.
Mangishiriye umndeni wakwaMthweni njenge-government eMpumalanga sizwe ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi balahlekelwe umndeni abantu abane abaningi kakhulu abomama bashiya imizi bashiya abantwana. Sayivula WhatsApp group yaba nabantu abaningi okungiyo ephumeleleko ngendlela esimangazileko nathi. Group lapha bekudonate bekukhitshwa imali bekukhitshwa yonke into onayo. Abantu bekungathi sicwabade ngendlela bekwenzeka ngayo ngoba umunye bekathi mina ngine trailer, omunye uthi ngine cool room, omunye uthi mina nginempoto, omunye uthi ngine stove, bekhitshwa nje ngendlela emangazayo. Kungasikamera referi kuphela nendawo ezisemaduzelana ngoba imali bezivela abantu abathumela iPOP uthola ezinye ezivela kubo Witbank kubothembisa.
Kungasi ukuthi bonyana bemzini lo emhlawumbe sibathathela phansi abesithi abanalutho but kusikima kwethu ukuthi no sifake isandla nathi sikwazi ukuba ukusondelana nabo sikwazi sizwele ubuhlungu ababuzwayo kwazi no sibamisane nabo until labo dadewethu nabo abaleleko nomtshana wazi ukubeka ngesizotho.
Isitsho sesintu sithi umuntu ngabantu wonke lo msebenzi usikinyelwe umphakathi othe ungezwe igama lokuthi konakele koMthweni wahatsha indaba enkundleni zokuthintana bona kuyokusizwa abakwaMthweni. Mbali igama lihatshekile kwabe kwagcina sekuvulwe iWhatsApp group yomphakathi nalabo abafuna ukuphosela kusizwe bakwaMthweni. Abachochozeli bomphakathi bathi akhange bakhona ukuthula abaphutha imkhono kuvela bangamahlwe njengale. Uhulumende sifunda seMpumalanga bawe namakhosi namkha abaholi bendabuko ukuthi bangokuvela na emndenini evelelwe sisehlakalo esifana nalesi kilezi inkhathi ibavikele njengobana batsho navale kunje kuba nabanye abogalajana baba bosomathuba basebenzisa amathuba njengala ukudlelezela imndeni efana nale. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguKhamfat Masombuka ngikubikela ngiKhamurwe ebeyaziwa ngeKamel Rafir B eMpumalanga.
Ezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu.
Oshane ekhaya ngomvulo siqalela lapha ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ke livale ngamafu ngale ngendaweni zange Cape Town livulile ke ngezinye indawo zangaleke ngeNorthern Cape kanti ke nawuthoma phakathi nesifunda amathuba wezulu nge30% ukuchinga ngaleke ngeNorthwest esifundeni seGauteng ngaleke eMpumalanga ukuzana ngapha ngesifundeni sangaKwaZulu Natal nakezinye indawo ke ngale ngesifundeni sangeFreystata kanti ngezinkomba zomoya leza ozibona kwezimhlophe kusasa amathuba wezulu athukucina endaweni zalapha ke kubomthatha nge60% kanti ke nawuthi yaqala godi asesenjalo amathuba wezulu nge-30% endaweni eziningi livuleke lapha-ke eTjingalanga nesifunda sangaleke ngeTjingalanga Kapa. Mathuba wezulu-ke la esiwabonako ngapha ngesifundeni sange-Gauteng sipholile endaweni eziningi lapha ePitori nge-20 neBroncosspruit eJohannesburg nge-18 eSprings nge-19 ngemva kwamadina iLimpopo bonakala ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kusebilabila nalapha-ke endaweni ezifana naboThabazimbi lapho kuphole khona iMusina iyatshisa iPhalaburwa kanti-ke itshisa nge-32 lapha esifundeni sangeMpumalanga sibona endaweni eziningi kupholile lapha boMalahleni eBhundu boMiddelburg eCarolina nge-21 nangapho ngakuboMachirini kusesikhukhuza lapho kutshisa khona nge-32 kanti-ke siyoqala lapha-ke esifundeni sangalenga KwaZulu-Natal ngemva kwamadina sifunda pheze sonke siyatshisa khulukhulu-ke lapha eLundi kanti-ke lapha-ke endaweni zangeDurban nge-31 siyoqalela isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga Kapa sisibona-ke naso-ke sifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuphole lapha eMakhanda eQonce nalapha e-East London eMthatha kuyatshisa nge-33 ngemva kwamadina iTjingalanga Kapa leya-ke sibona lapha-ke iCape Town ifuthumele nge-24 endaweni ezingegwini elingesewula kupholile iBeaufort West iyatshisa nge-33 siyoqalela isifunda sangaleke ngeNorthern Cape sisibona-ke sifuthumele endaweni eziningi kuyatshisa lapha eCarnarvon e-Uppington nge-35 eSpringbok kufuthumele nge-29 asiyokubona lapha-ke eFreystata ukuthi khona kunjani izulu selikhona nje kuphole lapha eFixburg neBethlehem endaweni eziningi zifuthumele kuyatshisa lapha endaweni zeGaribdam nge-31 siya lapha-ke eNorthwest kokugcina sibona lapha isifunda sifuthumele sonke endaweni eziningi ngemva kwamadina nakhona-ke amathuba wezulu alindelekile nje asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Tido.